smart exam system for visually challenged people. We are starting this. Start. So once I say start, it starts and playing now. The first question, it comes. So here it is displayed. The options will come now. B. So now it's processing my answer and says option is selected B. Now for the reference, it will say again B. Skip. Skip. So if error comes, I have to say another time. Skip. 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 So it's processing that skip, so this answer will be skipped. This question itself will be skipped. It will come after all the 5 questions. So now the 4th question. This is a question, now the options. B. It's processing the answer and says option selected is B. Now it will play the 5th question. B. So it's error, I have to say another time. B. It's processed B. Now the next question would come. B. So it processed and everything will be shown in this LCD. So it plays the second question because I have skipped that question, so it comes at the last. So now the option comes. B. B. So it's processing the answer. Now I'll say end to end this. So our first module, like 1 mark question is completed. Now we are yet to do our 2 mark question. So see this playing 2 mark question. We are yet to do this. Once we do this, we will record and keep it in our laptop so that the invigilators can see this. Now we are yet to do this. We have completed 1 mark till now. So this is the time we have given. So it's over. The results will be there in our PC. PC, actually I said the answers. This is the candidate ID and the answers I have said. You can see here, and whatever the answer said, attended. I actually attended all the 5 questions. I gave skip. If I give skip, it will come at the last. That particular question as well as the option will come at the last. But I attended all the 5 questions, so it comes 5, and my marks, out of that 5 questions, only 3 are correct, so that it comes marks 3 out of 5. This is EasyVR, where all my voice is being recorded. This will be given to the blind people as headset. So this speech will be this speech will be given to him through headset, not as a voice, not as so loud like this. just for the understanding purpose, we made this voice so loud. We will give these questions as well as options for everything to the blind people. In this headset will be connected to his ears, so he can hear it, and then whatever he does, everything will be shown in this LCD. So this now says completed. We have completed the module, so this says completed, and the invigilators can see the overall thing of a project in this PC because it's connected to our PC. That's it. Thank you.